Principles of steam generator and boilers. The water contained in the boiler called as a cell. The thermal energy released during the combustion of fluid, which may be solid, liquid or gases. It is transferred to the water into converted into a steam at the required temperatures and pressure. Commercial usage of steam power generation, heating the residential and commercial building in cold weather countries. Other industries usages, sugar industries, hosiery industries, chemical industries. Classification of boiler. Classification of boiler. Relative position of hot, gas, water. The first one is a fire tube boiler. The hot gases passes through the tube that surrounded by the water. Fire tube boiler are also known as certain common names: horizontal retentive boiler, low motive firebox, Scotch marine, vertical tubular, Cochrane boiler, Lancashire boiler. The first one is a water tube boiler. The water passes through the tube and hot gases produced by the combustion of fuel flow outside. This type of boiler designated by the following common names: Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Straight but incline the tubes with correct headers. Stirling boiler. Multi-tubular boiler having bent tubes that connect the boiler drums to heater. Method of firing. Inertially fire tube boiler. The furnace is provided inside the boiler shell and it's completely surrounded by the water cooled surfaces. This method of firing used in Lancashire boiler, low motive boiler, Scotch boiler. Externally fired boilers. The furnace is provided outside or under the boiler. It has a more advantage that its furnace is simple to construct and can easily enlarged as and when required. This method firing is used in Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Pressure of steam, third one. High pressure boiler, it producing the steam 80 bar and above, called as high pressure boiler. Babcock and Wilcox boiler, Lamont boiler, Wilcox boiler, Benson boiler. These are the high pressure boiler. Low pressure boiler, the boiler is producing the steams lower than the 80 bar, called as a low pressure boiler. Cochrane boiler, Cornish boiler, Lancashire boiler, locomotive boiler. Method of circulation of water. Natural circulation method, forced circulation method. The circulation set up by the convection current or by gravity. Forced circulation method is a second type. The circulation set up for a high pressure steam through the pumps. Natural service to be performed. Land boiler, boiler which are used with stationary plants, portable boiler which can be readily dismantled and easily carried out from one side to another. Mobile boiler which are fitted on mobile carriage are called mobile boiler. Examples: marine and locomotive boiler.